Hi, I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California, and I'm here to talk about how to make a candle mold out of a juice bottle. So this is an Odwalla bottle, and I pulled the label off, and the first thing I need to do is create a place for my wick. So I'm going to turn it over, and I'm just going to poke a little hole in the bottom with my X-Acto knife. And then I'm going to put my wick in. I'm going to push it all the way through until I have just a little bit left, so I don't waste my wick. There's the wick coming through. And then I'm going to seal up the hole again by using a little bit blob of polymer clay, which I'm going to soften in my hands until it's nice and pliable. And I'm just going to squash it over the bottom. I do want to squash it nice and flat. And if I'm still concerned about it leaking, I could seal it shut with a little bit of duct tape. I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to take a stick and I'm going to tie a little slip knot right here, trying to get it as close to the top of the bottle as possible so that I have a way of holding my wick in place. And then I'm just going to fill the whole thing with wax. And we're going to leave it to set. Once it's set and it's completely hard, we're going to snip this little part next to the top of the stick, and then we're going to cut really carefully down the side of the candle and pull the bottle off of the candle. Voila, you've used a juice bottle to make a candle. I'm Ingrid Jones at the Urban Craft Center in Santa Monica, California. Happy crafting!